Hello everyone, welcome back. Just try this question. This question says that the pole is subjected to the force F which has the component Fx which is equal to 1.5 kilonewton and Fz which is equal to 1.25 kilonewton. If beta which is equal to 75 degree, determine the magnitude of F and Fy. Now, this question says that the value of Fx and the value of Fz and the value of beta. And this question doesn't say about the value of alpha, similarly the value of gamma and the value of Fy and lastly the value of F, which we are going to find out. So, we know that cos alpha which is equal to fx upon f. Similarly, cos beta which is equal to fy upon f. And lastly, cos gamma which is equal to fz upon f. So let's call this equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this one is equation number 3. We know that the square sum of direction of cosines are equal to 1. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma are equal to 1. So putting the value of equation number 1 and equation number 3 into this expression, and we know that the value of beta here, it is nothing but the 75 degree. So this equation become fx square upon f square plus cos 75 whole square plus fz square upon f square, which is equal to 1. So fx square upon f square plus fz square upon f square, shift cos 75 square to the opposite side so that it will become 1 negative cos 75 degree whole square. So take the LCM of this expression so that it will become f square fx square plus fz square, and this expression give the value of 0.933. So shift f square to the opposite side so that it will become f square which is equal to fx square plus fz square upon 0.933. We know that the value of fx and value of fz according to the equation, and the value of fx, it is nothing but 1.5 kilonewton, and the value of fz, it is nothing but 1.25 kilonewton. So it will become 1.5 whole square plus 1.25 whole square upon 0.933. So f square which is equal to 4.08. Similarly, take the square root of this expression so that it will become f which is equal to 2.02 kilonewton. Now, putting the value of f in equation number 2 so that you will find out the value of fy, and it will become cos beta which is equal to fy upon f. We know that the value of beta, and it is nothing but 75 degree. So fy which is equal to f into cos of beta. So the value of f, it is nothing but 2.02 cos, and the value of beta, it is nothing but 75 degree. So 2.02 into cos 75 degree, so you will get, so 2.02 into cos 75 degree, so that you will get 0.5228 kilonewton. Now your question has been solved here and your concept too. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, take care. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.